In this video, I want to give you the three type of maternity photographers I have found are around shooting, and I want to help you choose which one is right for you. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And today in this video, I'm going to give you the three type of maternity photographers for you to choose from, and we're going to make a decision today on which one is right for you. So the first type of maternity photographer is the DIY maternity photographer. This is the maternity photographer that's going to make you do all of the work. Now, what do I mean by make you do all of the work? So they're going to make you find your own hairstylist, find your own makeup artist, bring your own wardrobe, plan your poses out, plan where you shoot at. You are going to be required to do all of the work. All right, you're going to be required to do all of the work. Create your own idea. They aren't going to do any work for you because they are a DIY maternity photographer. They're literally just going to sit there and take your photos, and they probably aren't going to be as good as the next type of maternity photographer I'm going to tell you about. But the DIY maternity photographer, I would suggest, is for a mom who wants a quick session, who don't mind doing all the work themselves, and they just want to be in and out. If you just want to be in and out, you want a quick session, you don't mind doing all the work yourself, then a DIY maternity photographer would actually be good for you. The second type of maternity photographer that I have found is the DWY maternity photographer. So the done with you maternity photographer, this maternity photographer doesn't take care of everything for you, but they take some small things off your plate. They may have a few wardrobe items for you to choose from and even help you pose during your maternity photo shoot session. This maternity photographer is great for moms who don't mind taking care of some of the bigger things, let's say like hair and makeup and maybe even getting your wardrobe, but you don't have an idea of where to look for wardrobe, how to come up with an idea, or etc. So, some done with you maternity photography may include wardrobe, like a couple Amazon dresses or so. Some may not. But the done with you maternity photographer is definitely a good maternity photographer for, my couples who just like, hey, we don't mind taking care of the big things. I already got my hairstyles and my makeup artist I go to, but there is some things I actually don't want to do. Now, the next type of maternity photographer I can think about for you is our all-inclusive maternity photographer. So the all-inclusive maternity photographer does all the work for you, from planning and creating an idea for your maternity photo shoot, to bringing the wardrobe, to providing the hair and makeup artist, bringing some of them like us. We provide the transportation to the photo shoot. We give you all art. We give you albums. We literally take everything off your plate. So if you are one of the moms and you like, hey, I'd rather have everything done for me versus doing everything yourself and then everything myself, I would definitely recommend you to go to an all-inclusive maternity photographer for sure. So now that you know the three types of maternity photographers to choose from, I want to give you my maternity idea board. It's an idea board I created that has over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is just click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you.